What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little video to show you guys a new modification that we did on the 3rd gen Tacoma behind me. So as some of you guys may know, we have had a tailgate insert on our Tacoma before. It was the mountain hatch and we actually really liked it. We liked it a lot. We used it a lot. And we used it as a cutting board, and it was just really scuffed up. I can actually show you guys in a little bit if you guys want, but this right here is the new tailgate insert. So this here has recessed cup holders, one over here and one over here. So really nice. Obviously your cups can't fall out. And as you guys see here, this is made by AL Off-Road. This is called the Trailgate. So as you can see here, this is aluminum. So they have etched out the coloring on top here. So this is the blue color. So as you guys can kind of see here, it's kind of like a navy darkish blue. So obviously you guys can see here, we've used it already. So we've taken this tailgate insert on the trails twice already. We used it obviously to put stuff on here while we're cooking or doing other things on here. Super useful. We use the cup holders both times. Really like those because unlike the one on the mountain hatch, this one is pretty deep, so you can put it down in there. Even if the wind blew, it wouldn't knock it over. So that's pretty nice. Really like that. And these are plastic. It won't come out of it. It is pressed in there just from some force, so you pop it down. If you really wanted to change these out though, you can force it to come out and then put the new one in if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. So we normally pair our tailgate insert with this table right here. This is the C4 fabrication rear bumper swing out, the single swing out. I'm gonna see if I can open this up a little more with one hand, and of course I cannot, so 2 hands it is. So we moved it to the furthest location there, and that will allow us to open our little table here. Fold this down and boom, look at that. Great engineering on C4's part there. So this little thumb screw holds the table in. And this is normally where we put our grill. So we have a little orange grill. It's a dual burner. We put it on here, and then that way we can still access in our bed to pull our wolf packs out or anything and put it on here. Normally when we put our grill on our tailgate, we tend to actually have to move it out of the way to get stuff out of the bed. So having this with the Trailgate has been pretty awesome. So it kind of goes hand in hand with each other, but obviously if you guys don't have a rear bumper swing out, that's okay, because the Trailgate is super handy. So obviously you guys can get them in different colors. There is one that is like a graphite color. So as you can kind of see in the light there, it is a little more blue. So the graphite color is more a grayish color, kind of like this plastic here. So pretty cool. That was originally what we were gonna pick, but they had this blue in stock. So we were like, let's try something else. So just to give you guys a little heads up, or kind of a hint, I guess you could say, we will be switching up our wheels on the Tacoma. And the hint is that it's gonna match the Trailgate on our bed here. So I'm not gonna tell you guys which wheels we're gonna go with just yet. You guys will have to wait and see, but it is gonna be pretty cool. It is gonna be very similar, or even maybe a little bit brighter than the blue that you see on the Trailgate here. So I'm pretty excited about that. So that's gonna be something that we've never done, because we don't normally do colors, especially bright colors like a blue, on any of our vehicles before. Obviously we have done bronze, on this vehicle and a lot of the other vehicles, but I think it'll be cool. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But that's pretty much it, guys. So I really just wanted to make this quick video to just talk about the Trailgate, why we got it, and I think I mentioned that, but if not, it's mainly because we wanted something that was completely flat, and we didn't want to do a mountain hatch again, just because we want to explore a little bit. We want to try different products, see why people like or make these products, and of course show you guys the new products and why you guys should, you know, potentially try it out. So this is pretty cool. We'll have the link to it down below. Also check out AL Off-Road on their website, their Instagram. We actually will have all their products on our website, all the way down to their Trailgate, their roof racks, and other products from them. So be sure to check that out when we have those loaded onto runningfortacos.com. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are new here and you guys are not subscribed, consider subscribing, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.